Whoa, whoa, whoa. Muddy, muddy, muddy. All filled up. The guys are here now. Plenty of time to have a couple of drinks before getting on the night boat. One day madness adventure in Surat Thani in the national parks. Just got off the night boat now. Chriso's bike's been freshly stickered up. He loves his stickers. So we're going to head off, grab some dim sum. Thank you, cup of cup. And here we go. We got full bellies of dim sum. It's already about 6:30 in the morning. One coffee, maybe not enough. Here we go. Let's see what chaos unfolds.
I'm stuck on you. Been waiting this night. Should get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything got me to.
Right, we are now 10 minutes into the trip and we've lost somebody already.
Oh, I didn't realise it was on. Yeah.
Marcel. His first proper off-road trip and we lost him. Right, we found the missing man, Marcel. Fingers crossed maybe it'll last longer than 10 minutes this time. Marcel's having a few technical issues with his number plate catching on the back tyre. So I think using a mechanical skill we're going to rip it off. It's getting on for about 12 o'clock now. Just to add another little bit of added spice to the mix, it's raining. Right, time for some messy fun. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Muddy, muddy, muddy. Right, we have lost 3 bikers. Oh, here they are. You alright? You didn't crash, did you? No, all okay. Ooh. Man down, man down. It's alright, mate. Ooh. Chris had a little boo-boo. Oh. And the bike's not starting. Alright, yeah, all good. Ooh. Ooh. I've nearly dropped it about 100 times. Why can't I just pick a good line? Yeah, they're not looking too good, Chris. Chop them. Right. Fuck.
Retake it, please, boss.
So here we are back in Surat Thani. Not the most intensive off-road trip, it's really good fun. Not many crashes, so slightly disappointing. We're gonna drop the bikes off by the night boat and then we are gonna get a deserved beer, and we are all pretty thirsty. Yeah, great day, really enjoyed it.